morning, everybody. My pack is setting off the seatbelt alarm. We gotta fix that. So, I am going to set 4 more cameras, I believe. Sorry, you can't see me. 4 more cameras. I have some salt and stuff in my pack. Now we got a half mile more lunges. Seriously, can't believe this. This is so insane. On him. Very thankful for this animal.
Filming me?
Yeah.
Oh.
My pack weighs 68 pounds. So I got 68 pounds on my back. And it's usually about a 12-mile loop, so it's gonna be a tough day. Should be good. It's already freaking warm. It's 73 degrees. It's 4:50 in the morning, and we're gonna get after it. See if we can glass up some bucks or some elk or whatever. Be on the mountain. Well, good morning again. I'm on the trail on the way up the mountain. It was 73 at home, about 60 up here. Feels really nice. Got quite a hike ahead of me. Gonna try it fasted, just cause I like more pain apparently. But we'll see. It's already daylight, way behind the 8 ball. Went to a drive-in movie last night. I got 3.5 hours of sleep, so that's where we're at. Just gonna meander my way up. Not in a huge hurry. I'm gonna try to relax and enjoy it for once. Well, that was awesome. Moose and a buck. Pretty cool, but said I got a late start this morning. It's not always a bad thing to hike in the daylight. Saw a buck and a moose, but you see trails on the way up, and glass, the hillsides on the way up. Also, enjoy the view a little better than just bombing up, which I'm already exhausted. Hopefully we can find some more animals. That was really cool. So I know I said it before, probably last season. I'm gonna try my best this year to slow down, take it all in, and have fun. Not make it such a stress to hunt. Because now it's hard, but it shouldn't be a stress. It's definitely something I love to do. Yeah, so that's why I'm not very far into my hike and I'm already sitting down. Threw the binos up on a hillside real quick. Nothing jumped out at me, but just gonna meander my way around, and I might actually set a camera way down low somewhere, because all mine are up high, and you never know. Some of the animals might be hanging out down low. I know I ran into a bunch of does in the late season down here, so if nothing else, set a camera for later in the year, which most of these probably are. That is so freaking cool. Bachelor group of bulls. Was not expecting to see that. I haven't seen that this early up here before, so might start getting them dialed in. I hope. I'm kind of watching where they crested the hill. Later this morning, once the thermals switch, I'm probably gonna go hit that trail, follow where they go bed, and then I'll put some salt and camera in there. I think it'll be a good deer spot also late season, so that's pretty sweet. I hope you enjoyed that phone scope footage. If you don't have a phone scope and you have a spotting scope, you gotta get one. They're incredible. Definitely game changer. I almost have more fun phone scoping than I do hunting or killing, but it's a good time. Hopefully we'll see more. Well, I saw a buck for about 5 seconds. He had really, really good potential. I was whipping out the spotting scope and a couple hikers were walking up, talking. He bolted. So I honestly don't know much about mule deer. I assume that they are habitual, like most animals and humans and stuff. So I am gonna go up to where he came out and follow the trail in a little ways. It's just on the north side of my other camera, so see which side they're hitting more often. Put a camera, lighten this pack a little bit. That was cool. This buck's has some potential for sure. I'm just worried that they're gone now. You never know. It seemed like they didn't want to leave very badly, so I'm gonna put a camera in here. Got some really good beds. I'll show you. One there. One there. And there's a bunch just up that trail. So right now I'm checking the camera. Watched a Hush video and Eric was talking about making sure you check to see if your camera is where you want it to be. So brought the stealth cam checker. Got the stealth cam setting right now. Got 5 seconds till it starts. This one should be good. I had to prop it up a little bit, but this is a little something going on there. All right, got it all set. On to the next one, up and over top. We have 2 to check, 3 more to put in. Yeah, so 5 total more. Busy day. Still haven't eaten yet. It's 8 o'clock. Gonna try to push it till noon. We'll see though. I'm getting tired. So I put up a cam with Braden about a week ago, and I already have 80 something videos with some good bucks on it. I I spooked them out of here. I hope that they'll come back just like that other camera, but this right here is very promising. I got some awesome trees for a tree stand, and I think we might be able to make it happen. It'd be pretty sweet to sit here opening weekend. Pretty awesome. One more camera to check, and one more to put up. And it's only 10 o'clock. Cruising, kinda. I'm gonna take a nap, but no can do. I'm really bad about that. There's a buck feeding 50 yards below my stand, 2 of them. Was that freaking awesome or what? Oh, those 2 really good bugs just feeding along. The wind switched. It's at that time where it's swirling right now. Pretty awesome. I literally was just plugging in the SD card to see what's on the camera, and in a week we've had 80 pictures. So they're hitting it hard this year. Let's see what's on it. Elk. Haha. Hey, little buddy. It's pretty cool. Man, I'm getting tired. The big old loop doesn't show very long on Onyx. I'm at like a little over 5 miles right now, I think. But it's up and down and side hilling. Not to mention 68-pound pack to start with. Unfortunately, it doesn't feel much lighter. Stepped on 2 bees' nests so far. Scared the crap out of me. And cat-like reflexes. I didn't get stung. Thank goodness. Sometimes I swell like a Michelin man, which isn't good. Man, there's tracks everywhere. Just hung the last camera of the day. It is 11:52. Still fasting. Kind of just wanted to experiment, see how I felt, and do a little test on how awesome keto is. I mean, yeah, I get tired, but I'm not hungry. Energy is, I mean, it's just staying kind of flatlined. It's not spiking, crashing, anything like that. But it's pretty sweet. Can hike as far as I did. I'll give you an update on the distance when I get to the rig, but I mean, some of it's straight up, some of it's straight down, side hilling, heavy pack. Just gotta drink lots of water. So I'm gonna head up and over and out. Catch you guys later. All right, breaking a 18-hour fast right now. It ended up being 7.5 miles. Felt like 20. Got a lot accomplished. Found a lot of new sign and areas and stuff. It's pretty cool. I'm definitely hopeful for opening day. Things are kind of looking pretty good. We'll see what happens over the course of the next 40 days or so. See if things stick around or if they leave, or see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys.